Hello from PlotSet. Let's draw a column chart today. To begin, I go to the panel and hit on the New Chart button, which takes me to the list of templates. I'd like to draw a column chart to show Hulu's annual revenue from 2010 to 2022. A column chart is listed under bar charts. Now that we are in the plotting area, I should first insert the data. I'd like to import my data from Google Sheets. So I just go ahead and copy-paste the link here. Don't forget to enable public access for anyone to use. If you look at my Google Sheets, you will notice that there are two tabs. In the advanced options, I go ahead and write data, which is the name of the tab that I need, and then I hit import. As you can see, my data is now imported here, and if I hit the settings, I can see the chart drawn for me. Let me assign a title. Keep in mind that the title here is only shown to you in the panel. It will not be displayed on the chart itself. In the color section, you can change the background and the color of the bars. Since the topic is about Hulu's company, I'd like to choose a shade closer to the brand's color. The header section is the place to present the title. I have written the title and subtitle previously in my Google Sheets. Here's my title. You can change the font, size, and color. I'd like the title to have a shade of green about it. And now the subtitle. Again, you can change the font, size, and color. It's really up to you. Now, if you've taken the data from a specific source, it's really important to stay true and cite the address in the design. Usually, the place for such a job is the footer. I found my data in the website Business of Apps. What I do is copy-paste the website here so that it will appear at the bottom of my design. The same personalization process goes for the source as well. The format in which you apply for the numbers in your chart contributes to the beauty of the design. To manage that, you can use the number formatter option, which allows you to choose any format that you have in mind for your data points. The numbers indicating the revenues are in billions. Hence, in the suffix section, I need to indicate BN, which is the short form for that. In the x-axis section, I'd like to change the color and font of the labels. And also like to turn off the thick lines because it doesn't look suitable here. For the y-axis, the same kind of changes is also possible. As a result, I changed the font for the labels, their colors, and their size. I'd also also like to turn off the thick lines but display the grid lines to make the bars more distinctive. In the column section, you can decide whether you would like to display the labels indicating the specific data points for each column. For now, I prefer not to display those information. In the tooltip section, I'd like to change the color of the sticky notes, which are the thick, colorful lines beside the data points, and choose a color in the green spectrum. When you're done with your design, you can obtain an export from it in either PNG, JPG, or SVG formats. You can also share your chart on social media, send a link to it to someone, or embed it on your designated website. Thank you for watching PlotSet.